Discover this incredible lakefront beauty in Palmetto, Florida, selling for under $70,000. This spacious home offers peaceful waterfront living in the quiet 55-plus community of Country Lakes Village. Step inside to find modern light fixtures, plenty of natural light, and new laminate flooring throughout. Imagine sipping your morning coffee while gazing at this serene lake from your private deck. This cook's kitchen offers plenty of counter and storage space. The bright white cabinetry features slide-out shelving and a pantry in this cheerful kitchen. A charming dining area sits adjacent to the kitchen for easy entertaining and family meals. The primary bedroom features a large walk-in closet and convenient ensuite bathroom. Explore this spacious, updated ensuite bathroom with double vanity, large walk-in shower, and additional closet space. A large separate laundry room includes new front-loading washer and dryer, cupboard space, and a new skylight. This home includes a separate bonus room perfect as an office, craft room, or additional guest space. Step outside into the Florida sunshine and expansive water views from the enormous outdoor patio. The fully fenced deck provides the perfect spot for your morning coffee or evening cocktails. The new roof offers peace of mind for years to come. Residents enjoy access to tennis courts and a sparkling swimming pool. A hot tub awaits you after a long day. Relax in the shaded outdoor pavilion, part of the beautiful outdoor amenities of this community. Call Lisa Castro at All Star Mobile Home Sales to schedule your private tour today.